Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. Before we get started, I want to remind you to check out our Miss Planet roses on Amazon. They are on sale now, so don't miss out. This week, I'm changing it up a little bit, and because I get a request for this particular centerpiece so many times that I wanted to take a special moment and go ahead and show you guys how you can create it with some fantastic Dollar Tree finds. It is so simple. I mean, anybody can do this. It's a simple setup and it's not expensive. So I want to show you how we're going to create this wonderful, beautiful, kind of like country chic look with Dollar Tree finds. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get right to it. So a good decorating tip is whenever you have branches or something, you have like the little leftover leaves, you can use a paintbrush and brush them away. Another wonderful tip is, yes, I buy an entire garland, but I actually clip it into 8 to 10 inch sections so that I can manipulate it a lot easier. And also I can use one garland on 2 tables. So 2 for the price of 1. We love a deal. Every one of these vases, as well as votive holders, were found at the Dollar Tree, along with the candles. The savings is just fantastic. Well, guys, what do you think? I must say that some of the most simplistic centerpieces are absolutely the most beautiful, and this one is no exception. I love how it turned out. It is absolutely versatile, and the cost savings is just fantastic for any size budget wedding. If you would like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, be sure to click on that little bell right down that corner and you would get a special notice from us the very moment our videos are live. Also, don't forget, all of the links to the supplies that we use for this project are in the description right below. Just click on that upside down arrow or triangle, however you look at it, and you will have all of the links to all of the supplies at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got things from. It's right there for you. In addition to that, if you want to leave us a comment or ask us a question, by all means do that. I promise you we get to them. You know, this is just a little bit of unprecedented time, but we will get to them. In addition to that, you can follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, I don't know what you're waiting for. We're all shopping online. You might as well get paid for it. It's very simple. Go to the description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchase, and receive a check for your shopping efforts. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanetShop.com for all of your DIY digital downloadable planning guides. This is a perfect time to go ahead and start planning that wedding, party, baby shower event of your dreams, and we have just the planner to help you do that. So head on over there, click on the corner on that little icon, it'll take you right there, and check it out. We've been so blessed to help so many brides as well as party planners with this guide, and so go on over and check it out and see what you think. Our time always goes by so fast, so I want to make sure you know if you want more DIY ideas, if you want more information on how to save money with your wedding or your event or just your decor, head on over to our website, missplanet.com. Again, you can click on that in the corner, it'll take you right there. We have a free resource library, yes, I did say it's free. It's one of the tabs on our website, as well as written and pictured instructions for all of our projects, as well as projects that we don't have time to feature on our Miss Planet YouTube channel. So head on over to our website, missplanet.com, and get more cost-saving ideas and just more information to help you become the planner that you are destined to be. I so appreciate you spending this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we don't take it lightly that you choose to spend your time with us here at Miss Planet. If you'd like to submit a request, head on over to our website, missplanet.com, click on the Project Request tab, and submit your request. We just ask you to do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. So, with that being said, I just want to thank you again for hanging out, and always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless you and yours.